Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will telling about only Graham Wardle explains his decision to quit Heartland. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. Graham Wardle, who played Ty Borden on the popular Canadian family drama Heartland, has opened up about his decision to leave the show after 14 seasons. Wardle's character died unexpectedly in the season 14 premiere, leaving fans heartbroken and shocked. Wardle said that he felt it was time to move on from the show and pursue other interests in his life. He also said that he wanted to respect the integrity of the story and the character, and that he felt Ty's death was a natural conclusion to his arc. "I felt in my heart it was time to move in a new direction," Wardle told the Canadian press. "I now host the Time Has Come podcast, and there will be a future episode coming out where I plan to share much more about my decision and my appreciation for the 14 years I've spent on Heartland," he said. Wardle joined Heartland in 2007 as a troubled teenager who was sent to work at the Heartland Ranch as part of his probation. There, he met Amy Fleming, Amber Marshall, who shared his love for horses and helped him heal from his past. The two eventually fell in love, got married, and had a daughter named Lindy. Wardle said that he enjoyed playing Tay and that he learned a lot from the role. He also said that he had a great relationship with his co-stars and crew, and that he was grateful for the support of the fans. "I'm so thankful for the opportunity to play Ty. He taught me so much about myself and about life. He was such a complex and layered character, and I loved exploring his journey," Wardle said. "I'd also want to thank my amazing castmates, especially Amber, who was my partner in crime for so long. We had such a special connection on screen and off screen, and I will always cherish our friendship. And of course, I want to thank the fans who have been so loyal and passionate about the show. You made this experience possible and meaningful, and I hope you will continue to enjoy Heartland." Wardle's departure from Heartland was a shock to many fans who had grown attached to T and Amy's relationship over the years. Some fans expressed their sadness and anger on social media, while others wished Wardle well in his future endeavors. Marshall, who plays Amy, said that she understood Wardle's decision and that she supported him. She also said that she knew about his exit for about 2 years and that she worked with the writers and producers to make sure T's death was handled respectfully and realistically. Graham, for the last several years, he's been going in different directions, working on different projects, and he'd spoke with us openly quite a few times, Marshall told the Chronicle Journal. "I actually have a close friend that was widowed and her journey was heartbreaking. But it was a real story, it was a real journey," Marshall said. "And I think this story, even though it's going to be heartbreaking, there is that moment of strength and growth and light out of it." Marshall also said that she hoped that fans would continue to watch Heartland and see how Amy copes with her loss and moves forward with her life. She said that she was proud of the show and its message of hope and family. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and give feedback.